I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr, because it's feeling like spring right here at home.
Yeah, Robert, we had a nice weekend, and going into the work week, you're tracking rain.
Yes, we do have some rain on the way, but before that, we have one or two pretty nice days still to get through. And you mentioned the warmth. It's warm all over the place. I'm just not cherry picking our area. It's warm all the way up to the I-70 corridor. Temperatures well up near 60. You get north of Kansas City. You got to get into the Dakotas for winter to really return. And yeah, it's still nice outside across our area. It's still a thin layer of overcast for the most part, but you're 64 degrees in Lowell. Light winds out of the west at 8 miles an hour. Elsewhere across northwest Arkansas, temperatures pretty uniform in the lower to mid 60s. We'll take you to Van Buren where, yeah, more clouds. That has been, I sound like a broken record the past week. It has just been cloudy day after cloudy day after cloudy day. But we should finally start to see more abundant sunshine here as we get later in the week. Despite the cloud cover, temperatures still upper 60s and lower 70s in the River Valley. Now, as we get into tomorrow, we've got this persistent subtropical flow coming from the Pacific all the way over our area. That's doing several things. It's adding to all of that cloud cover because we're getting an increase in overall moisture in the atmosphere, and it's keeping our temperatures very, very mild. But we'll cool off probably by the end of the week, which I'll show you here in the extended forecast. Now, tonight will be relatively quiet. Still more clouds out there. Weak front will cross tonight, really won't do much. Waking up Tuesday morning, same thing. More clouds than sun, considerable cloudiness. We'll have a boundary approaching from the south tomorrow afternoon. It could toss a sprinkle or two into northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. You probably won't even know it's happening because it'll be so unimpactful. But by Wednesday morning, the real show gets here ahead of a cold front that will spread widespread rain and thunderstorm activity through the region. This is a fast mover, so it's a morning only deal. Notice here by the lunch hour, it's almost gone, and we're starting to get breaks in the cloud cover. So basically what we dealt with last week, rainy in the morning, sunny in the afternoon. If we get a severe thunderstorm, maybe parts of Logan County, Scott County, southern LaFleur County, that is about it. The instability it just isn't going to be there in our area on Wednesday because of all the cloud cover and when the rain's moving through in the morning. 40s tonight, and we'll rebound nicely again tomorrow into the 70s for just about everybody. Real quick, here's a look at that first pitch forecast. If you're headed to the Razorbacks home opener, in the 60s by the time they throw out that first pitch in Fayetteville tomorrow. And there's a quick look at the extended forecast, which does feature those rain chances, but lots of sunshine on Thursday. And then we get into a pattern heading into this upcoming weekend where we could see periodic rain chances, Phil. Same thing in the River Valley, a wet Wednesday morning, and then sprinkles this wet weekend.